Hi, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be playing some Arsenal. This is already kind of a started game, but let's do this. Oh, and I died. That's sad. Oh. Ah! Oh no, is that a hacker? Oh. Alright. I'm gonna report this guy quickly um, and leave it. Alright. Dude, 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 dude. Oh? Okay. Let's do this. Wait. Nothing good. Oh. What? I'm doing so bad. Well, I did just wake up like an hour ago. And I haven't played for like a week. What? Okay, no, I don't know. I think record. I have to get used to. Oh, there we go. Frick. Ooh. Oh. What? You guys see this, right? Oh, you guys saw that. I shot. What? Oh, no, I'm doing something. Oh my god, my mom. My god. My mom doesn't really know much about this. What? You guys all saw that. I literally shot him. Yes. Yes. Okay, that was fair. That was all super clean. GG. GG. I got third. That's not bad. Dang, high level. Why is Arsenal's lagging a little? Oh wait, it's competitive. Forgot. Um. Uh, oh yes, confusion. Conclusion. Yes. Ah, shoot. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, I basically do videos basically almost every day. I am on a roll. Ah, shoot. If you are new to the channel, hi, I'm Jake. I totally forgot my voice changer. So, this is my voice. Hi. Um, oh shoot. I'm not doing well. I make, oh, it's silent. Oh, it was lagging. Oh, I only need one more kill. Frick. Yes. GG. Oh, they're all low levels, no wonder. Yeah, I just had to warm up. Can't do that. You know what? I don't even make money from this. Oh, yes, Railgun. I'm gonna win this, guys. You watch. Oh, they made it Christmas themed. And what? I I literally never noticed. Dang. Dang. Someone took my kill. Oh no, he killed me. I only need a couple more kills and then payback. Payback. Even though I don't think you ever got me. Frick. Oh no. It's a good player. Oh, he died. Oh, why didn't I aim? Frick. Okay. helping this guy basically. Huh? Gone. Boop. GG. Said 3 wins in a row? I don't know. Yeah, I'm lagging. I don't know why. I think they added too much to the game or something. If you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I'm making another awesome video. Slash, these are terrible, but still, who cares? I have a very small channel, okay? I've been making videos for about a year. I have 3 different channels. JGam, this channel, and actually I have a lot because of different devices because I never figured out. Actually, this is actually still a channel that I've kept for 2 years because I was able to link it and connect it to this. Ooh. Ah, that guy saved me. That guy saved me. Ah, shoot. Frick. Oh, that girl's somehow good.
Jake,
What?
what are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm playing games.
Why aren't you doing your school?
I don't got school yet.
When do you?
At 10.
Aren't you supposed to be with her at 9:30?
Huh?
Aren't you supposed to be with this coach at 9:30?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Look!
There's nothing on there.
Look again. Get off of that and look. Or you won't be on
My
it at
mom's
all.
being a stinker.
1,
Okay, bye.